Meaning of forcibly.
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 Forcibly. Forcibly means doing something against someone's will or by using physical force. The result of using force may involve physical harm, emotional trauma, or damage to property. It can also lead to legal consequences, such as charges of assault or trespassing. In some cases, the use of force may be necessary in order to protect oneself or others from harm, but it should always be a last resort and used with caution. Overall, the use of force to achieve an objective is a potentially dangerous action that should be avoided whenever possible.